Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm actually sitting here at the airport. This is so weird. Big up to all of the vloggers out there who actually do this on a daily basis or consistently because this right here I'm heading to Florida. Yes, I'm heading to Florida. Taesha is having her white coat ceremony, and that's on Saturday. So I'm going to go and support her. You know, that's what we do as family. We support one another, and I'm just so proud of her. She has come a long, long, long way. And I'm just happy that she did not give up on herself. You know, life is a journey, and I'm glad she found her way back. And she's attacking her dreams and trying to be a better her. You're going to have obstacles and you're going to doubt yourself and stuff like that, but you have to keep getting back up, right? And that's the beauty of life. So I am flying with Allegiant. It's my first time flying with them, and I'm not fly out at the regular Charlotte Airport. I fly up from Concord. And it's my first time I do this, so I pray for me so Goody can land and Goody can reach safely and Goody can come back safely. Hey guys, so I made it, I landed safely. Let me tell you, the flight wasn't bad, but the landing part they might want to work on the landing part. Waiting on Taesha to come pick me up. I don't even remember what car she drives. That's how long we haven't seen each other, you know. It's been so real adulting. But the weather feels so good here. Charlotte is so cold right now, and it was raining before I left. Let's see, I want to stand somewhere where she can easily spot me. Ooh, this is such a nice background, right? You know, when you get around family, it can be a little messy. We all know that. But I'm just going to take in the moment and really just support her because it's been a journey for her. And I know I keep talking about her, but this vlog is going to be mainly around family. I think she said we're gonna go to Pan Friday. She always talk about Pan Friday. I've been to Florida several times, but I've never been to Pan Friday, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, look forward to doing things now that we make little money. No, seriously though. But you know what I mean. You know, when you're younger, you sponge off your parents them, or you're working and you're just, you know, able to support and do things that are important, your priorities. So I'm looking forward to just having a relaxed weekend, spending it with family. But eventually I'll catch you in the next clip. That's my cue to go. I'll catch you in the next clip, okay? Hey guys, welcome. I know I did check in again last night after I got picked up. Taesha bought the pan fry. I would tell you this, I was not disappointed with that food, okay? That food was good. That fish that I had, the brown stew fish, it was really good. On a different note, my phone screen crack up. I have no idea how that happened. So we're on the road. Say hi to Taesha's wig. How ghetto is this, right? Ain't nobody better than my baby. Nobody better than my Yes, girl. I love everything you do. Love me in the mood. Cause a boy like me, we not mad over no man. So here we go. Taesha's over here getting her lashes done. Do you want to say hi? Not you, Taesha.
No. Leave me alone.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Laura,
Mm-hmm.
and I have my own business called LM Lashes. Right now we're doing a classic set.
And I have to show you this sign that I fell in love with. It says, live well, love much, laugh often. Isn't that? Let's go. You're doing the floss, right? Uh-huh. What?
Each of them
Okay, get it. Okay, get it. You look like you're a robot. Alright, go ahead. Do the floss. Okay, get it. Do the floss.
There floss?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, pull it. Alright, pull it.
I'm vlogging, everybody. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Oh, they catch you. Say hi,
Mama
Ricky.
used to do me all the while, man. Hi, what's up?
Say hi.
What's up, Facebook?
Who's
It's not
still
Facebook?
Instagram?
What's up? What's up, Instagram?
YouTube.
Yo, follow me, Sergeant Authentic _.
What's your plug? Plug. You have anything to say, Sergeant?
This is all the liquor you guys buy? That's the only liquor you guys buy?
I'm Sergeant Authentic.
That's
Sergeant Authentic.
That's it.
Sergeant go around mode, anti-Claudette. That's all you can see in the camera. It's Williams, we have the meat.
You're about to water.
You're right.
No, do it.
Well, that's supposed to be one of them too. Say man, right? What is? Who don't graduated? We have a video for.
Can we go pass the test?
No, pressure out the oxtail turkey neck so you can mix it and stretch it gravy.
They don't know what on
You
there.
can't tell.
Oxtail delicacy.
You can't tell.
That's my face. I'm Taesha.
Look how you have a different too.
You know,
I got a
you know turkey neck?
I'm drinking liquor so you do worse.
Then now what's about this bud?
I fell asleep in
Get
class.
some more, man.
I fell asleep in class. That's why I got it. I got it.
What's this bud? Hey,
I'm gonna get burnt turkey neck tomorrow morning.
that now last
I got a
month.
4.
So now watch when I share this now. Because I'm gonna stretch it.
Instead of 3.
You could have mixed it with love.
Instead of 3 and you want to
Okay, so the one that we are gonna eat.
So we share that last. Bring out that last.
It's an Eastern goat, aka the skin over there. And that's
Oh, hold on. This is good.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure.
And this is somewhat they
Oh,
call
watch
goat, but we
that
don't have
one.
a dog meat I know, but it's somewhat goat.
Ask me that.
It just called men.
Hey, no, come put them that's in the part.
It's not dog
And this is
I'm
good.
share about the dog.
food. Break it to
And that's your sister's goat.
No, we are Irishman. We are
She already.
Irish.
They like goat too?
No, she named that one.
A goat and white.
So what the goat, what dead name?
Oh, she named the
That's
goat.
Taesha White Coat.
That is Pretty Boy Floyd.
Oh, that's
Four,
Billy.
yes.
So they kill pretty boy. When they kill money boy with that?
But she named me name them two, me name them Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and birthday. She named them Pretty Boy Floyd and Rami.
Where you get so tall?
So why pretty boy fly dead so far? Oh, him did big.
Oh, you get tall, no?
That's what my year one. I mean, look good. Me say I'm money too. Auntie Claudia used to glasses used to be so small. And Claudia upgrade to big glasses. Cause I'm a bit techie. Me have to come out, you know. I have to walk past the people and I have to go through the slide. I can't let the people there buy life for money. Yeah. Suppose me store money, I don't come on the street. See me run down, me not care about you. And me run down and step and put in my pocket.
Sure, push on there. Sure, push on this.
Alright guys, so today's the big
Yo, we
day.
naked. How you do? Yo,
You
turn
want-
off. Turn off, my girl.
You want it,
Yo, what you do?